Ever wondered how you can connect your Shopify store to TikTok Shop? Well, you're not alone. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, it's become more important than ever to seamlessly integrate your online store with popular platforms like TikTok. But as many of you have discovered, TikTok's shop system can be a bit, well, finicky. That's where AFFILYAI comes in. AFFILYAI is a unique app that acts as a bridge between your Shopify store and TikTok's shop. It's the only app of its kind that can sync your products from Shopify to TikTok Shop, making it an invaluable tool for any savvy online merchant. With AFFILYAI, you can bypass the quirks of TikTok's system and expand your market reach with ease. So how do you use AFFILYAI to bridge your Shopify store with the TikTok Shop? Let's find out. Getting started with AFFILYAI is as simple as it gets. If you're looking to sync your Shopify products to your TikTok Shop, this is the app you need. So how do we get it? You'll first need to navigate to your Shopify site. Once there, head over to the app marketplace. In the search bar, type AFFILYAI. You'll see it pop up in the results. Click on it and you'll be directed to the app's page. Here you can read more about its features and benefits. When you're ready, hit the Add App button. Follow the prompts, and in no time the AFFILYAI app will be installed on your Shopify site. Now, why is this important? Well, AFFILYAI is currently the only reliable way to sync your products from Shopify to TikTok Shop, bridging the gap between these two platforms. And just like that, you've got AFFILYAI on your Shopify site. But how do you use it? Let's dive in. Now that AFFILYAI is installed, it's time to bring your Shopify store to the TikTok Shop. The process is straightforward, but there may be a few hiccups along the way. Don't worry, we'll cover those too. Step 1, open your AFFILYAI app on your Shopify site. You'll find it in the list of apps you've installed. If it's not there, you may need to refresh your page or check your installation process. Step 2, navigate to the Connect to TikTok option. This is typically located in the Settings or Integrations menu. If you're having trouble finding it, a quick search in the app should point you in the right direction. Step 3, click on Connect to TikTok. You'll be prompted to log in to your TikTok account. Enter your credentials and grant permission for AFFILYAI to access your account. This allows AFFILYAI to sync your products from Shopify to TikTok Shop. Step 4, select the products you want to sync. You can choose to sync all your products or only specific ones. Remember, the more products you sync, the more options your customers on TikTok will have. Now, here's where you might encounter a snag. Sometimes the sync might not work properly. If this happens, don't panic. Check your internet connection and ensure it's stable. If the problem persists, contact AFFILYAI support. They're quite responsive and will help you troubleshoot the issue. Step 5. Once your products are selected, click on Sync Now. This action will start the process of syncing your products from Shopify to TikTok Shop. The duration of the sync will depend on the number of products you've selected. During this time, you can monitor the progress on the AFFILYAI dashboard. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to bring your Shopify store to the TikTok Shop using AFFILYAI. This process is a one-time setup. But remember to sync again whenever you add new products to your Shopify store. Voila! Your Shopify store is now connected to the TikTok Shop, all thanks to AFFILYAI. But let's summarize what we've learned today. So, we've covered some ground today, haven't we? Let's take a minute to review what we've learned. We started by identifying the need for an app like AFFILYAI. It's the only app that enables you to connect your Shopify store to the TikTok Shop, especially considering the TikTok Shop system isn't quite up to par yet. We then delved into how to get started with AFFILYAI. We learned how to install it on your Shopify site, a straightforward process that brings you one step closer to expanding your e-commerce reach. Most importantly, we explored how to use AFFILYAI to link your Shopify store to the TikTok Shop. We saw how AFFILYAI is the lifeline you need to sync your products from Shopify to TikTok Shop seamlessly. And that's a wrap! With AFFILYAI, connecting your Shopify store to the TikTok Shop is no longer a daunting task. So go ahead, give it a try and take your e-commerce game to the next level. Thanks for sticking with us, folks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now ready to take on the e-commerce world with your newly gained knowledge. Remember, AFFILYAI is just one of the many tools out there designed to help you succeed in this digital age. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We have loads more tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you level up your e-commerce game. And don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments you may have below. We're here to help. Until next time, keep striving for success.